Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily export and import WooCommerce product images. Let's get started. So you can head over and then just do them one by one, but we all know that that is quite time consuming. When you head over right here to your product and you try to select them, as you can see, they have pictures. And when I try to export them, they will actually export all of the things that we have available on this product. Like for example, right here, it will ask you which ones you want to be exported right here. So you can head over and then just choose which columns you want to be exported. Like for example, you can choose in here the image. So we have in here the stock, so the video, purchase, and all of these things right here. We have in here this images, so just click on that. And then let's put in here all products. So let's export it all products. And let's also export our categories. Now click on this generate CSV. Once you have done that, it will export the products to a CSV file. Take note that it is a CSV and not an image. Now when you head over and try to open it, you should be able to see this particular images only. So when you head over and try to copy on each one of them, and when you try to head over to that link that they gave you on your images, you should be able to see the particular image, and you can head over and then just right click on them and save them one by one. However, you can also head over right here to your actual dashboard, and then from there scroll down until you can see this option for media. Now on this media, click on library, and you should be able to see in here your media library. So all of the images that will be added to your products will also be added right here. So from in there, you can see this. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and just click on this bulk select, and then just select the images you want to export. And then from in there, just head over and then just try to showcase or download them all together by just heading over and then downloading them one by one. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe again so as to reach more people. See you soon.